Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tanisha. I'm going to show you how to vlog with photos. All the assemble and hand and title. You know this hardware. You know this process, and then I'm going to do my photography. Sources for viewers, rappers, Safari.com, yes. I have to tell you something that like you don't know this assets. Assets is the from that you can photo. You can search photo right nature. It will go to the nature. So you don't have to take the image from the Google. You can take from the assets. Anything. See the games are good. Next, you can take this as please take from this assets. Video games. Videos. Video games. So you can select to all this, or you want to from the Google, you can select from the Google. Let's continue the video. So I love this green means in the address and in the paragraph, and I have added press came last and body and all the clothing tabs, and then the body text given from family height style font style and also set date month and element by date and variety on and date string and then slash. So bye and meet you in the next video.